All right, guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a difference in the designs of two different chimney smokers that I have. This is my original one that I've had for a while. This is a smaller version, and then I also have an extra large version of this. I will have links to the description below for products similar to this. But I wanted to highlight a very key point here in the design that the bigger one has compared to the smaller one, and why you should look for this type of design instead of this one. If you notice, on the smaller one, it does have some air holes so that we can introduce as much air as possible into the fire. But what I've noticed is that sometimes it does take a little bit of time for it to actually get up all my my charcoal or my briquettes nice and hot. This other version that I have, if you notice, that the main difference here, more than anything, are these little holes that it has in between. This one does not have. This one does have those holes in between, and that actually promotes the fire getting hotter faster. Right now, if you can see somewhere in there, it's flaming red. I mean, super bright red. It's ready to go. I'm still waiting for it to reach to the top, but those air little, I guess, little vents are really helping getting this this charcoal started. It hasn't even reached to the top. This is one of my first runs with this. As you can see, the heat is about right there right now, but it's already throwing out that clear blue smoke that everybody's after, that thin blue smoke, which means it's ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna leave the descriptions, links on the description below if you guys are interested. But yeah, you want to look for something that has holes in the middle of the body so that it can actually I guess speed up the process of getting your briquettes or your charcoal or whatever you're gonna use ready to go for your barbecue pit. I'm about 2 feet away from this thing, and I can feel the heat that's coming out of this thing. Please like and subscribe. I have other videos on my channel that you can go check out. But other than that, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thanks for watching.